TV for kids.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Girl who lives on Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Do you know the Cookie Girl, the Cookie Girl so sweet and twirl? Do you know the Cookie Girl who bakes with sugar cane? Yes, I know the Cookie Girl with icing swirl, she gives a whirl. Yes, I know the Cookie Girl, she lives near Drury Lane. Do you know the Cupcake Kid with sprinkles on the lid? He makes the tastiest treats that you ever did. Yes, I know the Cupcake Kid, his cupcakes are so big. With pink and purple frosting, they dance a happy jig. Come and meet the Muffin Man, the Cookie Girl and Cupcake Kid. They sing and bake and laugh and play on every sunny day. Now we all know the Muffin Man and all his baking crew. Let's clap our hands and spin around and shout a big yahoo!
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.